Well, I have a singlet on.
You don't.
You got a singlet on and you're putting a jacket on while that thing's like burning down on us. Welcome to the Galetta camping expedition. We got little Miss Dirt Eater, little Miss Mum laughing at little Miss Dirt Eater. We got little Miss I'll eat whatever I want, but don't look at me because I won't take a photo with you. And little Miss, I'm not going to listen to you. If someone's walking the other way, I'm going to come with you. All right, we're going down the river. You like the hair? Fucking hell.
Recording.
Yeah, it is. Remember what I said?
Yes.
All right.
Hey everyone. Today we're at
They're looking up your nose right now. Hold it up. I'll show you. Look at me.
Camp Australia.
That's it. Perfect.
And we're going down to the river.
Strong
So
arm.
you better enjoy this, but do not go to Fully. I'm serious. We do not want to record Fully's pooing today. So you'll see us walking down to the river. It's right down there. Right down there. Let's go. Look.
Is there one beach?
See her? It's there. Okay, down the food. There she goes. Wow, that looks really crazy. So it's me who's recording this camp.
Baby Beyond.
Yeah.
You usually have Daddy recording, but this one is me. I hope you have a great time. There we See them? The big cow pig. Oh my god. Okay, let's go.
Watch where you walk in because there's rocks.
Still recording. Please listen here. Oh, there we go. Still recording that. Well, look at that. Scout zoom. She's crazy. Oh, Dad's going bushbashing again. He just disappeared. Through here. There we go. Oh my god. Look how fawns. Tell me if there's any fawns. I know they were walking. Yes, got out. Oh my god. Some more. Ow! Oh, so my gosh. Ow! Look at the wound. I'm literally getting bored.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, we're at the river. Camping set. Daddy's in a mood because he dropped his beer. And now we're going to go down to the river and check out what it's like. That's going to go in. Let's go check it out. Hey, now we crossed along there. And now I'm going to start throwing some rocks so you'll see the splash. Oh, this is all splash a good one. Oh, did you see that?
Yeah, I keep throwing rocks. I'm going to put a helmet on.
Well, you started it.
Yeah, but I throw it in the water.
Oh my god, did you see that?
Where have you been? Did you see, did you hear, did you feel anything? In the world you're in the world you're in. Brutality, make it one, make it two, make it three times around. And the suffering, Time is running out, no first class ticket. We're crashing down, no money that can buy your way out. Go ahead and try, cause you have, cause you have, cause you have Did you see, did you hear, did you feel anything in the world you're in the world you're in? Brutality, make it one, make it two, make it three times around. And the suffering, there's suffering.
Don't climb them. Look at your butt. You're covered in grass. Eli. Hi. How are you, mate?
Good. You could actually see my teeth open.